In a world where education opens doors and unlocks potential, we are facing an education emergency in Pakistan. Millions of children and women do not have access to quality education and digital literacy, which are essential skills for transforming lives. Even today, in many remote areas of Pakistan, the quality of education is critically inadequate.
The number of schools are significantly low, but where they do exist, the quality of education is often substandard.
We need a revolution in Pakistan to address this emergency.
T-Square represents our faith in the people of Pakistan. We believe that all paths lead to education. We need an educated Pakistan because it enables our people to make informed choices about themselves, about the society and the nation as a whole. Education is not a privilege, it's the right of every Pakistani. It is not just a skill, it is the power that will allow Pakistan to remain relevant in the developed world. It will allow our people to have sustainability and growth. The formula is very simple. You will be productive only if you're educated.
This challenge is particularly pronounced for girls, as access to quality education in rural areas continues to be a major concern.
Literacy rate for women is 49%, which is even more dismal.
मैंने यहाँ पे आके 3 तालीम में एडमिशन लिया है। बेसिक में मुझे पढ़ने लिखने में मुश्किलात का सामना करना पड़ता था। मुझे यहाँ पे जो है ना इस टैबलेट के ज़रिए मैं पढ़ सकती हूँ। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह 3 तालीम की वजह से मैं आज अपने पैरों पे खड़ी हूँ। मैं एक सेंटर भी चलाती हूँ, घर के साथ साथ मैं घर के काम भी करती हूँ और इसके अलावा मेरा सेंटर है और बच्चियों को बीड्स का काम सिखाती हूँ, कढ़ाई सिलाई का सब कुछ सिखाती हूँ।
Technology infrastructure is very limited in Pakistan. Teaching quality is suspect and monitoring very weak. Team Taaleem is our endeavor to address all of these challenges in Pakistan. Team Taaleem is designed to scale across the breadth and depth of Pakistan with a pre-designed accelerated curriculum and quality content developed in Urdu understood by the local people. It addresses the technology infrastructure challenges in Pakistan, and it is able to reach millions of adults and children who are not educated.
In a country where educational challenges are augmented by infrastructure limitation and resource disparity, technology can offer a unique opportunity to solve these problems. We have to use technology to scale education across the country and to provide consistency in the quality of education. Training good teachers in this area is a big challenge.
T-Square embraces this responsibility, delivering Team Taaleem that serves urban slums, IDPs and underserved communities alike.
T-Square's comprehensive educational ecosystem is designed to make learning more affordable, inclusive and empowering.
Harmonizing local needs with international standards, T-Square ensures that education is not only digitized but deeply personalized and outcomes are of quality.
Team Taaleem is innovative. Our learning kit is redefining student experience. Learners use a gamified experience with fun interactive lessons and worksheets. We make education accessible for all. We have digitized Urdu, English and mathematics courses aligned with the national curriculum. Pre-designed quality content in lesson plans with flexibility for contextualizations of language, lesson plans and graphics.
टैबलेट बहुत आसान है और हम खुद भी पढ़ सकते हैं। इंग्लिश में हमें ट्रेसिंग करना बहुत अच्छी लगती है। ट्रेसिंग करके हमने चीज़ें लिखना सीखी थी। हमने अलिफ ब सीखी है, जैसे कि जुमले बनाना सीखे और काउंटिंग ABCD और बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखी। मैंने टैबलेट में 1 2 सीखी और इनवर्स काउंटिंग सीखी, बैक काउंटिंग सीखी, एडिशन सीखे, सब्ट्रैक्शन सीखे। मैंने 2 and 3 लेटर वर्ड सीखे और सेंटेंस बनाना सीखे और सेंटेंस बनाना मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
We use affordable technology solution considering electricity and internet availability concerns.
We use a blended learning model with local supervisors in each area to moderate effective group learning using an engaging, gamified, self-paced learning app.
At T-Square, we believe that every child deserves an access to quality education, and when driven by purpose, technology can be used as a powerful catalyst to bring a positive change.
With millions of children out of school, we are fast approaching a time where we'll have a huge majority of non-productive members. In fact, we'll be carrying them as liabilities. I mean, we need poets and philosophers and doctors and engineers and artists. We're not even allowing our youth to be someone because they cannot even read or write.
We have to consider education as a basic right, like food, shelter, and protection. We have an education emergency in Pakistan, and we need a revolution to address this immediately.
The future of education in Pakistan has arrived.
And T-Square is proud to be shaping it.